God's love shows us the way. The heart of a father is the master of the A father is someone who holds you when you cry, scolds you when you break the rules, shines with pride when you succeed, and has faith in you, even when you fail. A father's love is like a blanket comforting you in time of need. A compass always pointing us in the right direction. A blanket comforting us in time of need. Thank you, fathers, for the love, guidance, and provision. We are so thankful. We appreciate